Due to the ban of TikTok in the United States, CapCut will be affected and most people will not have access to use CapCut anymore. Now, there's loads of options and loads of other apps that can work just like that of CapCut. So let's look at one particular app that is very similar to CapCut that you will need to learn from the start, and that is VN. So I already have it, and this is it. I've been using VN for a couple of years before CapCut came to light, but before CapCut came, most people never know about VN. So I'm just going to explain and show you how VN works. So VN is almost the same thing as that of CapCut. If you look directly right now on the UX, the interface of VN, we're in VN right now, you see it looks like CapCut. But the only beautiful thing there is it already has templates right in front of you that you can actually make use of. Let's say I want to make use of this particular one. You can click on it and you click on download, and you see the duration is just 3 seconds. And so you can use this. If you like it, you can go ahead and make use of it. And if you don't like it, you can go ahead and select any other template you like or you want to make use of, and you go ahead and use it. So you can see all that. So this is just how the templates interface looks like. So once you click on new project, just like the way CapCut says, start new project, something like that. If you click on this, you can start a new project. So I'm just going to select a video. So I'm just going to select this video for illustration purpose on this tutorial. And once you import it, you can see it has the same interface just like that of CapCut. You have the filter, you have the trim, you have the effects, you have the split, you have the speed. So you still have your speed for speed ramp and all that. You have everything here, just like what you have on CapCut, except for this one that says mosaic. So mosaic is for you to blow face and all that. Then you have the option for reverse clip, flip. Then you have magnify. You can easily magnify a particular face and create some cool look, some cool effect on it, on your, so you can do that, or you can come to the square. So this is a little bit cool, I would say. It's not bad. So click on that. You can easily move it. Click on this, move it right here. And I'm just going to delete this other one. So let's say you want to emphasize on a particular item or something, you can easily do this on here. So you just show it quickly, and let's say you want to talk about it and you take it out. So that's just it. Now, that's one of the cool features. So you have the freeze, you have other options right here. Now, you have option to change. I'm just going to move this right here. So you have the option to reframe your project to a different frame rate. So you can go to original, you can go to 9:16, which is the TikTok one. You can go to Instagram, you can go to different, and you just select and it's fine. Now for the export, you can click on the export button. Once you click on it, you have the option to rearrange your export. You can go to auto, you can go to manual, and you can export audio only and things like that. So that's just it, and you won't have watermark. But at the end of a video, make sure you come to the end of a video and delete your text input here. So click on that, and there you go. So that's basically it. I hope this helped you. You still have a good option of CapCut in VN. This is not sponsored. This is not a paid video. This is a free video. I hope this video helped you. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.